7 Sigma Off-Grid.
Hey guys, we are back at one of my husband's favorite place. Where are we? We're at Laos. So let's see what we're gonna get. So let me tell you why we're in the rock section.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. Y'all, look at that.
What does that mean? It's a good price?
It's a twofer.
We're getting pea pebbles. So remember when I said that I was not budging on the floor for our greenhouse because I wanted tile? Well, we're gonna use pea pebbles for the floor of the greenhouse, but we're also gonna do tile as well. So we're gonna do both. That's a good compromise for both of us. And you'll see how we do that.
I'm waiting on you to stop yakking and pick some rock.
Well, pick the rock.
Yellows.
Thank you. That's what I needed.
You got it.
Yep. So the pea pebbles are like brownish, reddish that we're going to get. I'm going to try to pick pavers that are kind of similar so that we can stay in that same coordination.
Which way?
Over there.
Which way?
This way.
I know. Which way?
You about to hit something? Now, is this going to change because it's wet?
Get a little bit grayish.
Ooh, he said I can go fancy.
Just a little bit.
I could splurge. If that's the case, and this is the one that I like.
I need my gloves. With these white things in them, you cool? I'm saying you gotta really look at this.
They all have white stuff on it.
But in different
But I already
places.
seen them. Yeah, it's okay.
This looks like bird poop.
Yeah, because obviously you don't like the white.
It look like bird poop.
We're gonna change. We gotta change your heart. We gotta change your mind.
You did. Now we. I was messing with you being a woman.
You like those better?
Look at it, trying to put it on me. You already picked.
I have a change of heart, so we're gonna change it. It's okay. We can change our minds.
No, you can change your mind.
People can change their minds, and I changed my mind. I'm changing my
She ain't
mind.
the one cutting her hands up on this.
We have our pea pebbles, and we have 3 pavers. We have a surprise coming this weekend, so you guys stay tuned. We're not gonna tell you what it is,
Big surprise.
but it is a big surprise. So you guys guess what our surprise is if you can guess. Hey guys, so remember when I said that we had a surprise? Well, guess what? Surprise! Surprise, surprise. So we told you guys we had a surprise.
Rock.
We got some rock. So he has doubles. He dropped 1 load off. He's gonna drop the next load off.
25 tons. Well, 1 truckload with doubles. Said the singlet.
Yeah.
You truck drivers know what I'm talking about.
Okay, guys, so we got our rock delivered. This is our second one. You know, I want to say, we joke around a lot in regards to how we are going to finance the rock. My husband's always joking around about me being on the pole and stuff. But to be honest, he did not want me to do that, of course. We're just going to be very transparent, okay, guys?
We're going to keep it real.
We're just going to keep it real. How we finance the rock is he got an OnlyFans page.
Yeah. Man, boob is bad.
See, first of all, I was doing fine. I was trying to be serious about it.
OnlyFans. Old man got an OnlyFans.
I was trying to be serious about it, and he just wanted to just blow up the whole spot. But he got an OnlyFans page.
That's right. All you ladies, go check out my page.
And the page is
7 Sigma Off-Grid
at OnlyFans.
I don't do no feet. All I do is belly and man boobs.
So I just let him handle that. No, all jokes aside, we're going to give you guys the real deal about how we got the rock. And it wasn't through drugs. It wasn't through the pole. It was free.
Absolutely. Positively.
And it wasn't through a sponsor free either. We did some finagling.
It's shiny. Look at it.
It is shiny. Okay, thank you for my diamond, my nugget, my diamond nugget.
Sometimes you just lug up.
Based off the choices that you make.
That's right.
You're trying to make smart choices as much as possible. And sometimes you luck up. So how did we get the rock?
OnlyFans.
OnlyFans is not just for women.
For old men too.
So how you got it?
I have to tell.
Yes, you have to tell because I think it'll be beneficial for people who are learning, and I'm sure they want to know how we got rocks for free.
How detailed do I have to be?
As much detail as possible where it's going to help somebody else who could possibly make a similar decision or make similar moves and investments in order to fund whatever it is that you guys may be trying to fund. So
we've been saving money.
We've been saving. Number one, save money.
Save money. Saving for the well, saving for floor to build the house over there and all that good stuff. So I took the interest off of some of the money we saved. Some of that money I invested into a robo investment account. So I didn't pick the stocks on that one. Normally I pick stocks, but this time I just did a regular old robo investment and then took that money and then bought the rock.
So wait, because you just skimmed by that.
Without going into too much detail.
Yeah.
Took a little bit of the interest only, not the principal, from the savings. Took the interest that was made, put some of that into an investment account. Bought stocks and bonds.
Right.
And then let that make some money, and I pulled that out and bought the rock.
So technically our rock was free. So basically we leveraged our profits that we made from investments.
It's not gonna happen all the time. It was perfect timing because, as you all know right now, stock market is tanking bad because of what's going on in the world right now.
Unfortunately.
Everything's dumping.
Yeah.
We'll continue to dump for a while. Unless you get into something. I'm not gonna get all that. This is not financial advice. This is entertainment only.
We are not financial managers.
To the SEC, this is entertainment only. This is not financial advice.
This is just our opinion, and this is what worked for us.
We didn't do anything. We're just joking. We're a comedy channel. Again, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only.
Entertainment purposes only. So you guys heard it. We got our rocks for free.
And even if we did get them for free, we still pay taxes on the rocks, IRS.
Of course.
Yeah.
All the time.
Always. IRS, we got you. Capital gains tax too, all that good stuff.
Yes. But that's how we fund it. And we hope that this entertainment and opinions, not advice.
Not advice. This is entertainment purposes only. No financial advice given here on this channel. And we pay our taxes.
But also, if you need to hop on a poll, you may have to do that. Or if you need to get an OnlyFans, we're not knocking that either. Go ahead and do what you got to do. So, yeah.
I know, everybody's different. It's going to be some smarty pants. What if you don't have a lot of money to invest? You don't have to have a lot of money. Because it wasn't a lot of money to pull us off. This 25 tons of rock was $1,200.
And you don't have to have a lot of money. We just started off with $5 every paycheck, $10 every paycheck. Acorn will take out.
We don't give any financial advice. We don't sponsor any company's accounts.
At all.
She's talking about acorns from the oak tree.
Yeah, the oak tree acorn. You can get an oak tree acorn account.
You stash money in that acorn.
Stash money in there. You can put it in a tree.
Which will help you grow your funds.
Exactly.
To a betterment situation.
A betterment situation.
Like
exactly.
A betterment situation.
Exactly. And we're giving you some keywords here. Please go look up some of those keywords. Acorn and betterment. Anyway, we just wanted to share with you guys our shenanigan.
Come down yonder.
Where we going?
Come on, I gotta show you something.
Why he always got me doing stuff?
Before they address us. Just come right here.
I don't know. He always got me doing something.
So you guys see this wide berth here, narrows out. It gets very, very narrow in the middle by that second fat oak tree down there. And then at the bottom, it widens up. So if I would have had the driver come and spread the rock, a lot of the rock would have went in my ditches. I don't want that. So that's why I had him deliver up here, and I'm going to spread it myself again. Because up here is great. At the bottom of the driveway is great. In the middle, the driveway kind of narrows in. I'm not going to say how many feet per county regulations, but it kind of narrows in. We're still good per county regulations, but it narrows in. I don't want to lose any rock going into the ditches, and we have to come and scoop those rocks out of the ditches because we're going to put bigger rocks in the ditches. We want like at least 4-inch to 5-inch to 6-inch rocks in the ditches.
And that is because the truck is pretty wide.
It had a real wide tailgate.
The rocks would have slid over into the ditches because he has a large tailgate.
Not here, but down in the middle, probably about a good 150 feet where it's kind of narrow. So that's why I didn't do that. So just so you guys know before you start commenting, that's why. Capiche?
And there you have it. So that's why
I like using the tractor and gets experience anyway. So
yeah, we just have him deliver it where we ask him to deliver it, and Ra will spread it himself. And also because we're A-type personalities, we want it the way we want it. So. Control.
That's a song I had on my OnlyFans account. Yeah. I want to see the man boobs in that belly. I'll dance to Control.
7sigma onlyfans.com. Get back here, please. Control. We just want to say thank you guys so much for joining us, and thank you for watching. And again, if you like our shenanigans, if you like all things homesteading and all of that, please like, comment, and subscribe and share. And
hit the notification button.
We just want to say thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Saturday.
Oh, watch us on Saturday. Yes. We have some good stuff coming. We have
7 Sigma Off Grid.